So good. Welcome back into another track from Pack Making. Today on the table or even on the floor we have Project X, a hybrid trap and dubstep sample pack, and today we're gonna make like a hybrid trap and dubstep kind of deal situation type of beat song banger hopefully. Bass loops, bass one shots. Really cool stuff. Brass loops, brass one shots, drums, effects. There's a lot of sounds. There's like 900 sounds in this pack. Also glitches, melody loops. And vocals. Yeah, so I think we're gonna start with some drums first. I'm more into some rhythm right now, so let's make some rhythm tune or some dubstep tune. So let's say this cake is gonna be cool for now. Yeah, this clap is gonna work. I'm gonna do some reverb automation. We can start adding some basses. Yeah, this one is really cool. Oh, that's cool. Dun, 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 dun. And another one. Okay, so now we can start adding some fills. Oof. Okay, so I think we need to add some bass line. Okay, put this guy inside the sampler. Okay. Maybe this, and then we are gonna add some thermal and beef it up. Some chants. Yeah, it adds that additional punch when the hi-hat hits. Okay, so now we can add some movement to this track by putting some cool bass sounds in the background. Like this. Maybe this one. You can put this part here. Kind of works because it speeds up. So wait. So this is like a messy layer. We can add a Pro Q on it. And take this frequency and this one and both make them more mid. So it's more defined. Now we go into this layer. And I don't know if it has some side signal, but I'm gonna do the mid cut here. We can add some reverb on it, like a short one. So it's more like a background layer that is sitting on the side. Okay, what else can we add here? Okay, so we can take this guy. Ooh! So here we're gonna do the rhythm switch. Dun, dun, dun. And then there's gonna be this thing. Duplicate it. Also, I'm gonna duplicate this one. There's gonna be this thing playing here, and we're gonna do another bass line here. Okay, how about changing this kick now? Oh, and there has to be like like a long glitch. Oh, that fits. That's cool. Also, these glitches can be used as bass sounds, like in a drop. So that's really cool. We can make another part just with the glitches. Ooh. Ooh. Da-do. Okay, how should it go? Yes. This is insane. This is so good. Okay, so I'm gonna play the whole thing. The last idea is insanely sick. So good. I'm gonna try also putting thermal on this. Maybe this will do something. Clipping this together. So hope you enjoyed it and I hope you learned something. If you wanna grab the sample pack, check out the link in the description, obviously. Have a nice day and see ya in the next one. So that's it. If you have any questions, you can leave them in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, you can sign on that subscribe button. Also, you can visit my site oversample.us for some high quality samples, presets and free sounds.